Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cerritos local and long-distance movers near me. Searching for a reliable and cheap Cerritos moving company shouldn't be difficult. 3 Movers will help you with your residential or commercial move. Our team works to make your local or long-distance move faster and easier. We know how to move your things safely, and we have helped many homeowners, renters, and business owners over the years. Choosing to hire us for your long-distance move means you get a professional team ready to streamline the process. Our team will help you with any move over 100 miles or longer. Whether you're going one state over or across the country, we make moving day so much easier. Along with the basic loading, transporting, and unloading services, we also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company for a local move may seem unnecessary. However, you can easily gain plenty of benefits and save yourself the hassle with the right moving crew. Our team will do all the heavy lifting for you. We save you time and make sure moving day goes very smoothly. 3 Movers offers a streamlined moving process for local moves. Even if you're going a few miles away, you still have to load up, move, and unload. Letting us handle it all means your move will go much faster. A move that will take you a weekend will only take us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cerritos moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.